Paying a Metrobank credit card with Metrobank online is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To pay your Metrobank credit card bill online, first log on to onlinebanking.metrobank.com.ph. On the dashboard, click on Pay Bills. Now select the biller. Enter the amount you want to send and the required fields. After that, click on the next button to proceed further. Next, review to see all the details are correct. Then click on Continue. Now, enter your Metrobank passcode. That's how you can pay Metrobank credit cards with Metrobank online. Make sure that there are sufficient funds in your specified amount on the due date to cover the credit card payment. Always remember to keep your login credentials secure and be cautious while using your online banking account. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about paying your Metrobank credit card online, contact Metrobank's customer service for assistance.